EUR/USD ticks up to near 1.1650. French risks might cap upside. In this video, I have an update on the euro and the US dollar pair. The euro is slightly higher against the US dollar on Friday, but gains are capped with the risk of a French election victory by a far-right candidate boosting safe haven dollar demand. This is exactly what we talked about yesterday. So if you haven't watched my previous video, make sure to check it out. I'll leave it linked below. Here's a quick recap. As you can see on your screens right now, the euro is trading at 1.1643. We had a low at 1.1582 and a high at 1.1672. Earlier today, the euro was boosted after European Commission President von der Leyen said that the EU will propose a new sanctions package to hit Russia hard, and she also said that the EU is ready to impose more sanctions if necessary. Now, in response to that statement, the euro rose to a high of 1.1672. But then the market started to price in a potential victory of a far-right French candidate who's against the EU, and that resulted in profit taking on the euro. As a result, the pair's almost flat on the day. So here's the deal. If Marine Le Pen wins the presidential elections in France, the Eurozone's second-largest economy, it would increase political uncertainty and economic risks. And that would lead to a rise in the safe haven US dollar. And that's exactly what the market is pricing in right now. Let's take a look at the technical picture. As you can see on your screens right now, on the 5-minute time frame, we do have a very strong support level at 1.1580. And I would expect the pair to move back above this level towards 1.1670, towards the previous resistance level, which currently serves as a level of support. As you can see on your screens right now, there's a very good chance that we will see the euro moving towards 1.1670, towards that previous resistance level. But again, the upside might be capped because of the French elections. The market is pricing in a potential victory of a far-right candidate, so that might limit the upside for the euro. As I said yesterday, the French elections are scheduled for April, and if the polls are correct, the far-right candidate has a good chance of winning, so the market is pricing that in. In that case, we could see the euro declining. So, in the short term, I do expect the euro to go up, but in the long term, the French risks might cap any significant upside. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel tremendously. Subscribe if you haven't already. As always, I would love to have you back for my next one. And if you want to see a video on the Australian dollar, which is collapsing right now, just let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to make that video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.